Today we're reviewing a razor blade made of plastic. You get a number of blades, not one, but about 15 blades. And we're going to show you how simple it is to deassemble it and reassemble it and scrape off a sticker on a car. Certain places uses inspection stickers, and these are flexible. As you can see, I'm bending them, but they won't cut you and they're good for certain things. They're very simple to take off. All you have to do is just give a little force and they come right off. Take a new one after you ruin it, and they got a bevel one side, as you can see, and they're straight on the other side. You want the straight towards the back, and you want to slide this in over here, center it, and lock it in when you feel a little click. That's it. I didn't even give any force. There's the center. You just align it up, and that's it. It's in. Real simple. This is on the car. This is a sticker I placed on the other night, and I simply just scrape off. Think I'm kidding? I could peel it off. If the blade happens to pop out, don't worry, because you may not have installed it correctly by pushing down firmly and snapping into place. Now it's in there 100%, not coming out. And then we're able to scrape off. If things don't come off, put a little water and you can get the residue glue off. A little soap, a little water, and everything cleans up. You can see the glue coming right off. If you find yourself needing to remove a sticker, all these replacement blades that are offered, this product may be something that you are looking for in your kit to removing a sticker. I hope you enjoy your razor blade plastic kit. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.